Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with a scrapbook.com haul with some freebies. They have been having a lot of these freebies lately, so you can tell this is more than one order of this glitter pop, which I will definitely give it a try. And notice it's in a fall color. Love, 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 love. What color is this? It's called Champagne. Cute, perfect for fall, loving it. So I got two, so that means I got two orders, two small orders. So first order, I saw this, fell madly in love, had it in my cart, and then I noticed it started to go down and down and down and disappear. Then I went on another website and looked around and I was like, wait a second, this thing is moving. So this is the Catherine Pooler front porch. I love this set right here. These gorgeous pumpkins with florals. And at first I thought, I'll just use one of my pumpkins and put some florals. But then every time I kept seeing it, I was just like, this damn set is calling me. It's saying, Suzanne, come on, I'm here for you. So thankful for you. Count your blessings. Thankful and blessed. So I got it at scrapbook.com. And I used the PayPal Pay in 4. Works just like Afterpay, which is nice. So I was able to get that. And then this is another one too that I think is sold out a lot of places. What is it called? Give Thanks Sentiments. Isn't this gorgeous? Be thankful always. Warm harvest blessings. Hello autumn. Happy fall, y'all. You know, that got me. It doesn't come with a coordinating die. It would have been nice, but I guess I could just, cut around it. I've tried doing that, like stamping and cutting around it, but it just doesn't look the same as when you cut it with a die. I don't know. Maybe it's me with my scissors, or I need to use a different pair of scissors. Also, I did get to add to my Doodlebug pumpkin party, which I don't believe this is a new set. 2018. See, I like to look at a year. So this is all the ephemera pieces that are in the set. I love it, love it. You guys have seen that I have used this with my recent AliExpress makes. I used it here. I used it here, sticker. I have a pack, but I didn't have this, the pumpkin party. So now I have all these nice pieces with, includes acetate pieces. Ooh. That's nice too. So you'll definitely see something coming with this, is what I'm trying to say. Because I am still in a Halloween state of mind crafting. And then I had another thing in my cart and all of a sudden started disappearing. And I just was like, okay, I gotta get this. And I think some of it is sold out. This is the izzix Tim Holtz Colorized Pumpkin head. Love. Now, do I love? I'll make him, but that pumpkin layered up was calling me. It was saying, Suzanne, I can go beyond right here. That option's beautiful. I saw Tim Holtz release video on this whole izzix and some few other things, and it was just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this, I still think is in stock. This, I believe, is sold out, but if you want it, put yourself to be notified because they will restock it. This now is Vault Series. So these were already produced, larger scale. This is a smaller scale. Think mini slimline, memory decks, ATC cards, tags, that fence, all of this on a tag. Love. A lot of places sold out. So if you see it, grab it. There is another set with witches. And I thought about it, I was like, well, I'll only buy 3 because this thing is starting to add up. Gone. So you can put yourself to be listed for that as well. I'll list all 4. So it's the pumpkin head, the vault, then the house. This also goes along with the house that he released last year. This one is called Ghost Town 2. So there is a Ghost Town 1. And I will link that below as well. So you can make a whole scene if you want with the houses. The houses measure... So it's a bunch of pieces. The house measures, the biggest house, 3.5 inches tall, 3 inches wide. The second house, so that can fit on a slimline. And if you do a, you know, let's say what I like to call the AliExpress Anna Griffin Slimline 4x9 or 4¼ by 9¼ inch size, that can fit. This one, 2½ by 2¼ super cute. Love these clouds. Love, love, love. Then here's a little tombstone bits. The bats, 1 inch wide span, only maybe a 1/4 inch tall. Am I right? Yep, 1/4 inch tall. And then this little bit here, you could just use this by itself. Almost, you know, a little bit over 3 inches wide. And this little crescent moon. Yes, you can take a circle punch and do a little, make your own crescent, but I like a die. I like a die. Let's measure this one too. All right, so for the colorize, alrighty. Tim started to put colors on the back of these and kind of like an order thing. I probably will make a tutorial video on this. 4 inches long by, let's say, a little bit over 3¼ inches wide. The pumpkin, you're looking at 1 5/8 by 1¼ You know where's a good place to get this if you live international? Craft Stash. That's in England. I believe they're your international on that side of the pond. See, something just fell out already, so I'm gonna have to do something with this. I'm probably going to transfer this one to a sheet of paper with some magnets. Why not? Moving on, another freebie. Catherine Pooler, the dogs. Isn't this nice? And this is a photopolymer stamp. Peking Pets, cute. So this is the same quality as this, free at scrapbook.com. Come on, I love scrapbook.com and I love when they give us the freebies. Love, 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 love. Also, I had set 1. I went back in and got the Distress Mica set 2. Just love it. And then I heard that this is a limited edition. So once it's done, it's done. So I was like, oh no, no, no. I love this stuff. I'm going to use it every year. One thing though I didn't say in the last video. I had used it. Set 1 with that tombstone color, that black color. All that texture there, the colors. Look at that. This is on black cardstock. And look how it turned it into like, is it black or gray? Maybe it is gray. I can't remember now, but I did the spray on it. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is from set 1, the darkest color, which is like a gray black. He said after every spray, wipe that nozzle. Clogging, for clogging, to keep it open. So just once you spray it, just take a little paper towel or a napkin and wipe, you know? Make sure. Don't forget that. Or you're going to have to end up maybe transferring it to a Mr. bottle or something. Then this was something I wanted from last year and I got. It is by Penny Black and it came back in stock. I asked to be notified and I got notified. Bundled Buddies. Isn't that cute? She is just so adorable. There's just something about her being layered up with so many layers and still smiling. And a little bird. The bird I can cut off. So the bird I'm not really feeling, but I can cut this and just keep her. You know, which is nice too that they gave you the option that you can just clip it. So from the bird down, 3¼ inches long by, with total 2 3/4 inches wide. Not a bad price point and super cute. And yes, photopolymer stamp. The best way to find a good friend is to be one. That year round. Look at that. Love, 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 love. Next is the special 3 metallic inks. $9.99. They're normally $6.99 each. They did a little video release and I was just like, oh, for fall too. So this one is rose gold, metallic frost. I don't have any frost. I have silver, but I don't have frost. I do have a gold. I don't have a rose gold. So this is nice. So I will play around with it because I am in a playing with texture mood. And I have another pop. So maybe I do have 3 orders then. Because I have another pop here. And this one, is it same champagne? Yep, champagne. I got 3 champagnes. 3 champagnes. I will definitely put aside one for a giveaway. I'm like, you know, slowly getting some stuff together. Once I reach My goal is 5,000 subscribers. That would be fabulous. And also, because, you know, I just want to know that, you know, the channel is growing and you guys are appreciating hauls, tutorials. I know sometimes the videos get a little bit long, but I do like to go slower, step by step, so that if you are doing something, you can follow along with me, or you can stop and wind it back and it's not speeding through, you know. So anyway, fun and excitement. And definitely, if you are interested in this part of Tim Holtz, this I believe will still be there for a while, because this is with izzix, but this is with Ranger. With Ranger, his collab, limited release. So whatever you see and you want in, what is that, grit paste, I didn't bother with the grit paste, but if you want that, get it. If you want the glitter, get it. Use PayPal Pay in 4, spread it out, but definitely get it before you can't get it. That's what I'm trying to say. Alrighty, crafters, so until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.